Welcome to Dependable Dumpster Service, the trusted provider for dumpster rentals in Fort Mill, South Carolina. Whether you're tackling a home cleanout, a remodeling project, or a commercial renovation, we have the right dumpster for your needs. Our team is committed to providing fast, hassle-free service to help you manage your waste with ease. With a variety of dumpster sizes available, we make sure your project runs smoothly by offering reliable and convenient dumpster rentals tailored to your requirements. At Dependable Dumpster Service, we understand that every project is different. That's why we offer flexible rental options to fit the size and scope of your work, whether it's residential or commercial. Our team guarantees on-time delivery and prompt pickup, ensuring that you can focus on your project without worrying about waste removal. From household clutter to construction debris, our dumpsters can handle it all. And if you're unsure about the right size for your job, our experts are here to guide you to make the best choice, so you don't overspend or get stuck with too little space. What makes us stand out in Fort Mill? At Dependable Dumpster Service, we care about our community and the environment. We prioritize eco-friendly disposal methods, ensuring that recyclable materials are handled responsibly to reduce landfill impact. Our customer-centered approach means we're always ready to help, whether it's answering questions or providing same-day service. Trust Dependable Dumpster Service to keep your project moving forward. Reach out today to rent your dumpster in Fort Mill.